How to recover deleted messages on Messenger. First of all, head over to your application Facebook and make sure you are logged into your account. Tap on this three line at the top right and then tap on this gear icon. Scroll down and inside information you'll find the option of download your information. Head over to it. Now tap on request a download. Select your Facebook account and then tap on next. Now click on select type of information. Now as you're looking for on how to recover the deleted messages, right here select messages and then tap on next. It will land you on this page. Right here you can select the format and the media quality of your file. You can set up these as per your need. You can also select the date range. Once you are done adjusting these settings, tap on submit request. There you go, the request has been successfully sent. Now after some time, the Facebook will send you the mail on your email address and it will include all of the messages that you wanted to recover and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can recover the deleted messages on Messenger. I really hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.